Scientific and Industrial Association Agromash, the leader of food, chemical, cosmetic, oil refining and pharmaceutical equipment of Eurasian market and the Middle East region. The plant embodies the full turnkey production cycle of production lines, shops and plants of low, medium and large power in the field of oil refining, food, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, chemical, beer non-alcoholic, liqueur vodka and confectionery production. The plant produces both individual machines and lines, workshops and factories, capacitive equipment, digesters and reactors, dissolvers, vacuum mixers, homogenizers, dispersants, food and chemical resistant pumps, screw, tape, reel, planetary and all other types of mixers. Process control systems, including multi-channel programmable controllers with touch panels, transportation and packing systems. A special pride of the plant is the production of full analogs of equipment from leading world companies. Powerful design office, engineering department, electronics and electrical engineering departments allow to develop and produce processing equipment of any complexity, including analogs of leading manufacturers of American and European equipment. Among regular customers of plant, there are such giants of the industry as Kraft Heinz, Nutricia, Coca-Cola, Oriflame, Mervyn Food Central, Rolton, Gideon Richter, McCafe, Haim Foods, Kellogg Company, Splot Cosmetics, Rosneft, Lukoil, Gazprom Neft, Tatneft, Microgen, United Confectioners, Mikayan, and many others. A large number of the equipment is made by plant serially to warehouse that allows buyers not to wait for production and not to freeze money for 1.5 to 2 months and start working in almost a few days after the purchase of equipment and a month to recoup a significant part of it after a month. Specialists of the plant will provide maximum information about using, formulation and technology with the equipment. With many years of experience in the production of equipment and engineering, the plant specialists will help not only with the selection of new equipment, but also with the modernization of existing lines. The capacity of the plant allows not only to choose from the available developments that equipment which is necessary for the client, but they also can develop together with the client and make any equipment on an order that can combine the properties and functions of several apparatus. Thereby, all of foregoing confirms the unique capabilities of the Scientific and Industrial Association Agromash and makes it a true leader in its field in Eurasian market and the Middle East region.